Oi, Pete. Just having a rest. I've just finished my shed off. We're nearly finished. I ain't quite finished it, but done enough for the day. My old legs was playing me up. My old legs is giving me a lot of jip today. Have a look. Do you see them legs? Proper jip they give me. Hang on, I'll show you my shed. We're going to change the plan, you know. You know them old bench panels I was going to use, put up the sides? Well, changed my mind. Where the plan B? Do you know what I used? Do you know what I used instead? Show you, look. Old pallets. You can't beat an old pallet when you're building a shed. A lot heavier. Stop the old wind getting there, blowing it away. What do you think of the construction? Can't beat a bit of old A-string when you're building a shed. Do you know, I wasted a single nail on this. And what do you think of this lovely bit of tarpaulin, look? Lovely bit of tarpaulin, look. Beautiful bit of tarpaulin. Apart from that bit. Your wife's got in that bit. But don't matter. See, that's only a rough old bit of tarpaulin on the top. I might put that on there to protect the good stuff, you know. You're proper jealous of this shed, aren't you? Look inside, look. Look inside. Get a bit of a draft there, but you need a draft in the shed, especially if you're going to put your lawnmower in it. So that's what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my lawnmower in there. Anyway, I'll let you go, it's only a quick video call. Yeah, show you another little secret, like, look. He's a naughty boy, he is. I'll catch you later, eh? Big kiss.